Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create sites in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Setup. We access to our Setup page and then we need to search for sites. And basically here we will find the sites and domains and we need to click on Site. After that, you will need to uh, read and accept the Salesforce terms, and then you will need to register my site domains. And basically, you will need to have already your domains that are in, and basically now you can start adding your own sites. First, you can also have your own domain in your Salesforce. You can create your own domain by now let's just create a new site to our domain and we click on new and basically now you can start add a site label. For example, I will just do something arbitrary and here you can add the active site homepage if you have any home pages that you want. So I'm just going to click for example on this one and you will need just to click choose any configuration that will suit you and basically after that you will need just to click on save and then you will have your site that will be created. So these names already in use, new, and let's just click on save again. And there is another error. So for example, in my case, this site creation failed since I have exceeded the number of license for my organization. So also it depends on your license and basically this is my site that I have just created and you can then activate it so you can start access to this site here. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.